I think it's very important that we look at this as a national issue and be very, very objective. We have to look at both sides. As much as you are crying for the businesses, look at the government that is supposed to create the enabling environment for the business to grow. What role is the government expected to play? And what does the government need to do to be able to play that role? Well, when they say that revenue generation or mobilization is not an issue or it's not a problem, but expenditure is a problem, I beg to differ when it comes to that. I agree that we are generating revenue, but I can also say that it is not enough looking at the expectation of Ghanaians, the things that we need. I'll give you an example. If you look at our tax system, it's only very few people who pay tax in Ghana here. I think that what we should be talking about is how to expand the tax net that will have people to be able to pay taxes. There are certain businesses, especially those in the informal sector, who do not pay taxes, but they even generate more income. They even earn more than big businesses that are registered or that are seen as big businesses. I'll give you an example. When you look at restaurants, when it comes to VAT, for instance, restaurants pay VAT, but the chop bars do not pay. There are certain chop bars that earn more than even the restaurants that we see around. I use a lot of Kumasi Accra Road. I'll give you an example. There's a popular chop, I wouldn't want to mention the name. I didn't mention the name. On weekends in particular, if you see the cars that park there, and if they should tell you how much they earn, even weekends alone, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and compared to a restaurant like Linda Door pays so much tax, but that particular chopper do not pay tax. Now, if it comes to a business suffering, then Linda Door will suffer more than that chopper. So to me, I think it's important. But if you go to tax that chopper now, Ghanaians, you have other people supporting them. So this is a small chopper. Why are you taxing them? Yeah. So it's important. Taxation. You see, Ghana is not the only country that goes into taxing.
No, so you agree with him that there should be no new tax, but rather think about expanding the tax base,
which is very important.
So are you against new taxes now, or you are for new taxes in this budget?
Okay, so I think that what matters most now is to see how best we can generate revenue.